John, you're pathetic. Until you get yourself.
Hey Nicole, this is my beautiful daughter Nicole Justine Bradshaw, and I had her March the 23rd, 2012, and everyone get this perception of having unhealthy babies when diabetic, but she is 100% healthy and she does not have any diabetes at all. Say hi Nicole! Say hello! Say hi! I'm going to bring her with me to the Colorado residency in October, and hopefully y'all can get to meet her then. Right, Nicole? Hi! Hi!
From whence I speak. I've had the monkey on my back too. That's right. Arthur Spooner was a dick. So what? Nice and sweet. With that sweet stuff to me, I can breathe through my nose like I never breathed possible. Fantastic feeling. And I